So Mirrorlink is about bringing your smartphone into the car, to bring your smartphone experience into the car environment in a safe way to drive, right? It's not about just bring your smartphone and play Angry Birds on a car screen. That's not safe to use.
And what companies are part of the consortium? The main.
It's more than 60% of the market share of the car companies, in a sense. So there is Toyota, Volkswagen, GM, Honda, Renault, PSA, which means Citroën and Peugeot, from the car side. But there is also Android makers like Samsung, LG, Motorola is there, so indirectly there's good. So Mirrorlink is kind of the accepted almost already by these companies as the standard system, where you have all your favorites, your music, your media, what you have on your smartphone, you connect it to your car. So it should always be the newest experience in your car. So you have the newest navigation, you have your contacts, you have everything right there in your car. By end of the year in selected markets. And I assume Italy is, I think, is one of the target markets for this. So you will have this head unit in the IQ before end of the year in Italy.
Yeah, because just 2 minutes to...
Vabbè, sono io, Vai tu, dai, io vado nell'altro.
Any preference?
Vai.
Okay, let's go to Piccadilly. No, we have a short route. But we can do it right. We can do a short ride.
Okay, first you can show me how you connect the phone, please. Thank you.
So now you see, so I can show you the head unit as well. Okay. So generally this is the head unit as it is. So we have radio.
So normally there is the radio.
Exactly. If you go here, you have sources, you go to FM, AM, you have Bluetooth, SSF, like you have a connector for AV.
Can I try?
Yeah, of course, works. And you have iPod as well, if you have an iPod.
C'è il cavo USB che può essere connesso anche a un cavo, a un iPod, ci sono ovviamente altri adattatori.
But this is the regular head unit.
Comandi al volante.
You have volume here as well. And regular telephone, just regular Bluetooth.
Il telefono può essere semplicemente connesso tramite il cavetto. Qui abbiamo what kind of phone?
Home screen.
Is a semi-bell phone.
Okay. So let's say, anyway, you connect your phone via USB.
Connettiamo.
And you can connect all kind of phones. Or?
It needs to be Mirrorlink enabled phones, which we will bring to the market. And you see now they are talking. So we are telling to them, okay, we are supporting Mirrorlink. We have Nokia Car Mode embedded, which is an application from Nokia, which we will launch sometime soon. And then the head unit knows, okay, Nokia Car Mode is safe to use in the car. And then it offers the icon here. And the second icon, which is offered, is Nokia Phone. This is giving you direct, let's see, go to the home screen here again. So this is only while parked, right? Not while driving, only while parked, never else.
Se clicchiamo sulla funzione
telefono, you can use the phone, you get some disclaimer, okay, it's blah blah, it's your fault. And now you have the regular phone screen. But this is only okay while parked. If you start driving, it will block it. Okay. There's no way you can use that while driving. But if you park your car, you can use it for writing email or something. Right? So let's go back.
Is also charging the phone?
Yes, of course. That's one of the key reasons for USB as well. If you do kind of Wi-Fi plus 3G connection for driving an hour with navigation and GPS, you will not have any battery left.
Yeah, of course.
So this is the safe way. In the future there will be also Wi-Fi versions of this. Let's say in a year from now, maybe we'll see. But there will be also Wi-Fi for sure. So here now you can launch Nokia Car Mode, which we'll have also for the standalone case, which launches this application. So from here now you have the three keys. These applications are on the phone, they're optimized for in-car use. So this is Nokia Car Mode. Over Bluetooth you have to sync your contacts, right? You have to copy them to the head unit. They are there, they're on the phone. They're instantly, no copying. If there's a new contact, it's there. There's no new syncing or something. Also you have the pictures and so on. So you have the pictures added. So I can go and call myself, then it will mute the audio and do the call. But the difference to the usual call UI here is that usually I would push this and I go to the next screen telling write message, write text message or call, which number do you want to call, blah blah blah. So here you directly call. most important number, because in the car you don't expect any message.
Okay.
So it's simplified. Then of course the other two key applications are drive and music. Music is kind of obvious. So this is playing now. So you listen to your music, you have so you can connect the iPod, listen to your music from the iPod, but at the same time you can start a Nokia Drive to use as navigation.
And this is Nokia Map.
Yes.
Nokia Map con l'altro USB,
Nokia Drive.
quindi
Drive navigation.
Per navigare all'interno del.
So that's the same as it is on the phone. So you use it from here, you have your contacts, you have all your favorites, you have online search, which is not so common for cars, right? So you can search online. So if you go there and you search London, whoever was searched here, you search London and you get really fresh information. You get the newest information because it's like
it's the telephone that's
exactly.
connected to
so you don't get kind of old. Sometimes these systems they have old data, right? But this is always now coming from the phone. But you can lower it from the steering wheel.
Ovviamente della musica viene direttamente dalla macchina, non dal telefono.
Same, so you can skip the song as well. I think now it's a one-song album, so it doesn't work. Okay. Or maybe it is. It did. So you can skip the song from here.
Okay.
So should I do a very short drive?
Yeah. Proviamo adesso il navigatore in marcia.
It's an audio feature. Okay. Just 1 second there. So you hear the radio, right?
Yeah.
But you still get your guidance.
Yeah,
you get your route guidance.
Yeah.
Quindi è possibile anche se stiamo ascoltando la musica, sentire radio. Okay, can you?
So you can go here.
Okay, thank you.
Well, I can play the Nokia tune.
Oh yeah.
Well, then it's not radio anymore.
It's no problem.
No, it's not loud. It's okay. I think. So yeah, and then you can, of course, in the future there will be more apps. So if apps are safe to use in the car,
press drive to show the map.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you.
So in the future, if it's safe to use, if the app is certified, so it's allowed for in-car use, then you will have more apps available. So you can have for example, you can have a radio app for your radio channel, which just give you additional information over the data connection. You can have whatever. You have a weather app. You have let's say you're in London, right? So you're an Arsenal fan. You get an Arsenal app while you're going to your football game. You get the latest lineup of the team or whatever. Or you have an app which reads the emails to you, kind of an app which reads all your new emails to you from the phone. Another thing you see here in Drive, obviously, is the live traffic. I hope we see. Usually in London there's always traffic.
Because the phone is connected, is always connected, so it gets the information.
Exactly. Also, Nokia, Navtec is part of Nokia, so we have the assets, we have this information, so it's zooming back and forth a lot. And then we will have an update for our current Symbian phones, like the N8, E7, etc. Just 2 more turns. This is radio. This button is only for radio.
Okay.
Volume is above. This is skip.
At the roundabout, take the 4th exit.
Good.
Environment. Yeah, sure. Thank you. And you can check out the other car maybe. Yeah.